You can definitely hear the Audi engine sound. Good on the cornering. Grips the road really well. Great acceleration, no concerns here. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, what a difference. Hello there, everyone. Today we are driving a 2018 Porsche Macan GTS on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Aidan over at MemberCar of Rockville, Maryland for providing me this car. All his information will be in the right-hand corner side of the screen, but let's get this Macan started up. And let's go take a look outside this car and take it for a spin. Now this specific Macan has that Stormtrooper look, and I want to show you the whole car, so we're gonna take this tag off right here. We're gonna put it in the trunk. Actually, no, in this back seat, so you can see the trunk. It's got the wide black wheels, the red calipers, the panoramic sunroof. So it's a nice loaded version. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's in meticulous condition like new. And this is pretty much your upscale SQ5 alternative. It's got the 3.0 liter engine, whereas the new ones have the 2.9. Soft touch material, carbon fiber. Let's hop in the back. I'm 6'2", and I gotta say it is very, very tight. Like my legs are already kicking in to the seat, but it's still possible to sit here. There is enough headroom. Materials feel nice, but I'm not a big fan of the rear seat here. It is super tight for my taste. I gotta put my legs like this. You got also heated rear seats, an adjustable temp, USB, some pockets, and a huge panoramic sunroof, which looks beautiful. Audi style seats. These are something that you would find in like the upper models of Audi. Bose audio. And I'm guessing there is no button here to open up the trunk, or no, there is. It's right here. I was surprised for a second. I'm like, wait a minute, there's no button? Okay, so decent sized trunk, similar to, you know, alternatives. Let's also open up the exhaust a bit and go listen to it. It does sound loud and nice. It has that quad exhaust like the Audi S5 and SQ5. Let's see under the hood. Easy to open, hydraulic holders, some soundproofing, all the stickers. 3.0 V6, I believe this is the same one you'll find in the Audi S5. All right, that's good to go. But let's hop inside this cabin, check out the seats, the interior. So these seats feel super duper nice. They are much better than the base seats that I've been in the Macan S, like the newest one. Very comfy. Smells inside like an upscale Audi. We got lane assist, automatic exhaust, like the valve opening. What is this? We got, oh wow, we got the air suspension too, so low level. Let's do that. We got Sport Damping, Sport Plus, but we're gonna actually start out in comfort. We got Sport, Sport Plus, ventilated heated seats. Everything works. The buttons have a nice feedback to them. Auto, temp, recirculation, hill assist. Now this looks very old school. Not a big fan of this infotainment. Car, SC, assist, park assist, trip. This is very convoluted, honestly. Glove box. And let's see what this is. So the original sticker of this car back in 2020 was, oh sorry, 2018 was 85K. Not cheap for 2018, let me tell you that. For that money, you could get like an X650i or something. Not a cheap car at all. But still way cheaper than what it is today, because today, this is gonna be like 100 grand at least. If we look at the new GTS. Now the interior here does feel really nice. Headliner, the materials are good, the wheel is nice, soft to touch leather dashboard. Love the watch, I think it looks super duper cool. We also got our information here, torque split, tires, navigation. All right, well, let's check out the backup camera. Quality is absolutely straight from the Audi A4. Same exact setup as in the Audi A4 and S5 or A5. Same exact resolution. Also, look at how it bends the angle here. It kind of reminds you of a Uconnect quality camera. At least it does have the 360 view. Not the best camera for this money, let me tell you that. 2009, 2010 Infiniti FX35 had a better 360 camera. Parking brake. Yeah, so let's begin with the quiet exhaust. Drive normally, let's do a wiper test. Same wipers straight from the Audi A4 or A5. Also same pedals, they feel the same to me as the Audis and the VWs. Mirror comes straight from Volkswagen. I had a similar side mirrors in my VW Arteon. Now the ride feels good, it's smooth. I love the adjustable headrest here. I do like the seats and the seating position. It's easy to see, but the hood is very flat, so no curves, no lines. It does look decent though. Visibility is not bad for an SUV. Oh, you can also fold them like this. Cool. Okay, we got the blind spot. Let's adjust the mirrors. So driving it normally feels nice. It's got a pleasant suspension. You don't feel any speed. I also like these red classical gauges. Unfortunately, Porsche is straying away from all of that. They're now like VW, all electronic. They even have similar graphics. Unfortunately, they're not keeping it. I'm guessing the max speed of this car is what, 150 limited, governed. But let's go into Sport Plus, because that is the fun mode. We're gonna go into Sport Plus on the chassis, and let's have some fun with this beast. I'm super curious today is how it will perform. Also, I'm guessing this is the PDK transmission. Shifts nice and smooth. Great responsive steering. I do like how this car steers. Let's take her into the turn. You can definitely hear the Audi engine sound. Good on the cornering. Grips the road really well. Great acceleration, no concerns here. Definitely has power, it can definitely move. Now if we go to manual mode and try to go back, it's not gonna go back to drive, so we gotta go manually. And 58 on this, yeah, 50, yeah, this is its limit right here, 53, 54. It's already screeching. About the same limit as the S5, same cornering capabilities. love how it can just hold 6,000 RPM without even shifting. So yeah, that's how it accelerates. Let's go back into normal, I guess, into comfort. So power-wise, I don't think it's faster than an S5. We'll see what the numbers say when we do the testing. You get that sense of torque at the lower RPMs like in the S5, but when you really start to rev this engine, you can tell that it's, what, like 6,300 RPMs, 6,400 RPM max. Whereas per se the B58 would just ring out to like a 7,400 RPM. So as far as the actual ride, it rides, like I said, really nicely, and it hides the sensation of any speed. So if you're going 60, feels like you're going 30, 35. That I do like a lot. And comfort is really the mode that I would be driving this most in. Wouldn't even bother too much with the Sport Plus unless I'm trying to go really fast. Let's go. Yes. Nice. Of course, this is not going to be a valid run. We're going downhill, but we did 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds right now downhill. So I'm not expecting any mind-blowing times right now from the Macan. But it does feel super quick though. It definitely feels quicker than the numbers suggest. We're gonna do some proper acceleration testing once we get down to our Mexico strip as usual. I do want to give this car a fair chance to see how she does. We're definitely gonna have to try the launch too. Isn't that the best part here? But yeah, the handling here is good. I like how it is, how stable it is. It definitely drives more like a sedan rather than a SUV. I also do wish I could hear the exhaust a little bit more, I guess. It's pretty hushed. Brakes are good. Now the brakes here are very solid. So yes, 6,500 is where it shifts. But yeah, let's let her cool off a bit before we do any runs. I'm gonna keep it in comfort, let her breathe for a bit, and then we'll do a couple acceleration runs and see how quick she is. 3, 2, 1, floor it. Let's go. Nice. Nice. 5.85. I like the kicks, how it shifts with the kicks. And there we have it. So, realistic figures, 0 to 60 in 5.86 seconds and 5.85 here. 0 to 62, which is 100 kilometers an hour, 6.13. Not bad. 60 to 100 in 8.27, and here was 8.34. 1/8 mile is 9.16 and 79.38. And the quarter mile is at 14.07 at 100.34. So as you can see, the numbers here are actually the same as a base model A4, like a base, but not a base, but like a premium plus, or whatever they call it nowadays, the 45 TFSI. Not any faster. And what's surprising is that the Lexus ES350 trapped at a very similar speed to this, 100.6 and 100.34. In 8.34, 60 to 100, again, similar to the ES350 numbers. But we're gonna come back and give it one more shot, see if we can do any better. And we're gonna start heading back. All right, let's turn around and we're gonna do one more run, but this time we're gonna launch her. Okay, let's come to a complete stop. Draggy's ready. All right, let's go. Yeah. Oh, what a difference. 5 seconds, much better. But nothing really drastically changes here, in a sense that we shaved off what, like 4/10. So 0 to 60 verified 5.06. 0 to 62 is 5.32. 40 to 80, 5.72. 1/8 mile, 8.64 to 80.48. And the quarter mile is 13.53 to 100.17. So there are your numbers. It is a very hot day today, super hot. So I'm sure we could have done a little bit better on the speeds if it was a colder day and a nice DA, maybe shaved off a couple more tenths, but that's really where it's at. That's the real performance here. So there you go. But now let's start heading back. Well, this sums up our test drive today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And till next time.